Website theme. Are you a creative soul, eager to share your passion for design with the world? Do you have a talent for creating beautiful website themes that make people say, "Wow"? If so, starting a website theme business could be the perfect venture for you. Starting a successful website theme business requires more than just designing beautiful themes. You need to have a solid plan, a strong work ethic, and a willingness to learn and adapt. In this video, we'll cover the key steps you need to take to launch your own website theme business. Step 1. Identify your niche. Before you start designing themes, you need to identify your niche. Who are your target customers? What kind of websites do they need themes for? Do you want to focus on a specific industry, such as healthcare or fashion, or do you want to create themes for a broader range of websites? Identifying your niche will help you create themes that meet the needs of your target customers. It will also help you market your themes more effectively. Step 2. Research your competitors. Once you've identified your niche, research your competitors. What kind of themes are they offering? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How can you differentiate yourself from them? Use this information to create themes that offer something unique and valuable to your customers. For example, if your competitors are offering basic themes, consider creating themes with more advanced features or customization options. Step 3. Develop your brand identity. Your brand identity is what sets you apart from your competitors. It's the visual and emotional representation of your business. Develop a brand identity that reflects your values, your target customers, and your niche. This includes creating a logo, choosing a color palette, and developing a website that showcases your themes and your brand. Make sure your brand identity is consistent across all channels, including social media and email marketing. Step 4. Create your themes. Now it's time to get down to business and start creating your themes. Use your niche and your research to guide your designs. Make sure your themes are user-friendly and visually appealing, and offer the features and customization options that your target customers need. Consider offering a variety of themes at different price points. This will allow you to appeal to a broader range of customers. Step 5. Launch your website. Once you have a few themes ready to go, it's time to launch your website. Make sure your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Showcase your themes with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Consider offering a free trial or demo of your themes to entice customers to make a purchase. Make sure your website is optimized for search engines and is mobile-friendly. Step 6. Market your themes. Now that your website is live, it's time to start marketing your themes. Use social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target customers. Consider partnering with influencers or bloggers in your niche to help promote your themes. Offer excellent customer service and respond promptly to customer inquiries and complaints. This will help build a loyal customer base and positive word of mouth. In conclusion, starting a successful website theme business takes hard work, dedication, and creativity. By following these key steps, you can launch a business that offers beautiful, user-friendly themes that meet the needs of your target customers. Best of luck on your journey to success.